Hello guys, welcome to our new video tutorial series of Kotlin, and in this video I will explain about the variables in Kotlin. So as I told you in my previous video that Kotlin has two types of variables, val and var. So both are used to declare variables, but they differ in whether the variable can reassign. Okay, so val is immutable variable. The value of val variable cannot be changed once it assigns. It's similar to a constant or final variable in other language. So, like if I have a val variable and if I declare a variable val name data type, and if I assign the value of 10 into the uh, name or any string, it will not be changed, later. You cannot change it later. It is immutable, like you cannot change that value. On the other hand, if we go to the var is immutable variable, so it can be changed or reassigned later the program. So like we use var for variables, they we need to hold a different values throughout the program. So if you want to change, like if the value of our like name can be changed. Name is a like a program which name is depending on the users who's currently using the system or any program. So like if I was the user, I just log in my information and my name has been changed according to the user. So in that case we use the var variable. So it can be changed. The simple thing is like you can not change the val after assign the value, but you can change the var variable. So how we declare the value val immutable variable in the Kotlin. So let's suppose we have a pi value. We just assign the double and we just declare it and assign some decimal value. Also we have the a simple string, which is like if we enter 10 here. Without the string, it will store as an integer, but right now it will store as a string. On the other hand, var is like we just assign the integer value 95. The same with the val. We assign the temperature, it will work as a decimal. So we can change the temperature value, like we has assigned the 22.5 and then we can change it to 23. That can only possible in var. We cannot do in the val variable. Okay, and so like declaring null variables. So you can declare a variable as a nullable. You can hold a null value, as I told you in my previous video. So you just need to assign a question mark sign with the data type and you are good to go. Like you can easily assign any value with the null, and later you can change it if there is a var. So the only key differences between var and val is a sign of once. You cannot be change the value of val, but in var you can you know reassign the value as many times as you want. So this is how we use the var and val in the Kotlin languages. So I hope you understand it quite well. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, and do some comments so we can improve more. So in my next video I will explain more about the other stuff.